The greatest nemesis to your game's pacing and fun and excitement and overall tension is purely player overthinking. We all overthink, all of us here. And a good way to stop that is to have a chat with players before the campaign, before the session starts, and tell them, we're going to overthink. I'm going to give you a lot of options on the table, and you're not going to want to make the wrong decision. You're going to weigh up all the odds. But unless everyone at the table is having a great time, if they're all just enjoying weighing up those odds and you can see they're entertained, then you leave it. If it gets frustrating for some people and they feel stuck and you feel like, oh, the tension's gone down, then tell players, just make a decision. Or remember the chat, even more so, they don't want to feel pressured in the moment. That's the wrong place to have that discussion for the first time. Before the session, go, guys, we're going to overthink. But I encourage all of you to go with your first gut reaction. Just go with what you think the character would do. But it doesn't sound wise from what we've learned, this or that. If players just do a gut reaction and it's good fiction and it's good storytelling, I wouldn't kill them off. I wouldn't instantly kill them off. Doesn't matter what the dice say. They would usually be a re-roll, a pushed roll. They get captured first. I'm going to tell them before the campaign starts, I will not punish you for not overthinking, for doing a shoot from the hip, unless it's really reckless and really a stupid thing, which I'm sure it won't be. I rather want to encourage that sort of behavior. So I'm going to tell them up front, I won't punish you. In fact, overthinking, I'm going to make, the timeline, I'm going to tell them, oh, if they've been thinking for ages, I'm like, time is really passing fast and you're hearing a commotion outside. I think people are getting angry. The guards are upon you. There's consequence to taking too much time. I rather want to discourage that. I'm telling them up front with the campaign, the longer you take for decisions, the more that's rather not going to act in your best interest. With the exception of it's now the heist plan and they're enjoying the planning. Let that flow. I know I keep going on about this point, guys, but overthinking kills so many sessions and tension, and players stop having fun because one player, this is also sometimes only one player really wants to decide what they do and the rest have to wait. And that's not always respecting everyone else's time. So have that discussion with the group up front and go, by the way, when we take too long on a decision for ourselves, it's not always respecting everyone else's time. Please shoot from the hip. I will not punish you. In fact, I'll respect it. I'll make something fun happen. Maybe the dice roll goes against you and something happens that isn't ideal for your character, but I'll make it interesting in the story and I'll give you time to redeem yourself. But I'm going to respect us keeping it flowing. Just first thing you think of. Say that, what the character you think would do, shoot from the hip, let's go with it. Don't overthink it because the cost is too great for fun for everyone else. Time, limited time we have to play, tension of the plot, that fizzles. Have that chat right up front. You're going to have much better games. Thank you all.